Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Today's video will be a DIY Halloween tutorial. This will be a skull candy dish centerpiece you could use for either or as you wish, just by purchasing items from your local Dollar Tree. Here are a few things you will need. A skull head, spooky flowers, pipe and decorative wire, plastic bats, spider basket, plastic spiders, glue gun and glue sticks, a pair of scissors. Here I'll be grabbing my pen and just tracing the top part of the head of the skull, so I'll have a mark to insert my scissors. Then take the sharp edge of your scissors and puncture a hole right on top of the skull. Next, take your flower bouquet and cut off any tags that need to be cut off. Next, fan out your flower bouquet, and as you can see, there are two plastic spiders already in the bouquet. As you can see, the stem is pretty long, so this is an easy solve. Just take the bottom part of the stem, fold it up, place it in the middle of the bouquet, and place the bouquet right back in its place. Then take the flower bouquet and just fan it out. This will give it a much fuller effect. Next, you will need your decorative wire, purple and in black. Take out one color of each. Next, take both wires together. Fold it in half and twist the bottom part of the wire. Then take the wires, fan them out, then take the wire and place it on your finger and wrap it around. This will give it a nice snake effect. Continue this process on the rest of the wires. Here I noticed that the skull was a little wobbly, so this is a quick solve. Just add some hot glue to make it more stable. Next, take your decorative wire, grab your glue gun, and just add some hot glue to the bottom tip. Take the wire and just place it right back into the skull. Fan out the wire until you are happy with the way it looks. Next, adjust any flowers that need to be adjusted, including the plastic spiders. This will give it a much fuller look. Next, grab two more piping wire, one in purple and one in black. Follow the procedures that you did on the first time. Pull it in half and twist the bottom part of the wire. Fan out and then give it a snake effect. Next, grab your hot glue gun, add some hot glue, and place it on the opposite side on top of the skull head. This will give both sides that snake effect look. It actually gives it a Medusa look. Next, take your black basket, remove any tags, make sure that both spiders are on each side. Next, take some spider plastic rings, remove the ring part, This will give it a flat surface. Add some glue to your spider and place it wherever you desire. This will also give it a nice spooky effect. Next, take one purple bat, remove the bat clip, add some hot glue to the back side of the bat and glue it onto your base. Next, add more spiders if you wish. Repeat the same process. Add the spiders anywhere you wish. Next, take your spider basket and grab your skull piece, lay it down in the middle of the basket. Turn the centerpiece towards yourself so you'll have a better view. Next, grab your glue gun, add some glue all the way around on the edge of the base. Add your skull piece back down to the middle of the basket, add some finishing touches, and as you can see, this basket, it's not going anywhere. It is tightly glued. Here I add a few bags of chips just to give you an idea on how this basket will look once it's full, but you may add any items of your choice. Here I just wanted to give you a different view and a different setting on how the centerpiece will look once the lights are down, candles are lit, and watching a nice scary movie on a spooky Halloween night. If you enjoyed this DIY Halloween tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more upcoming future videos. I have a lot more DIY videos heading your way. See you soon.